Hello everyone. Today I want to go straight to the point so that I'll teach you how to get your foreign numbers for your site verification. So it's very short and precise. I won't take your time. So let's go straight to the point. So head on to your browser, then search MySMSVerify.com right here and hit enter. Okay, so after searching for MySMSVerify.com, you can see from here we have the landing page, so you can explore. So our main aim here is to create an account and purchase or buy a foreigner for our site verification. So let's go straight to the point. So you can sign up or start up free. So here you need to include your name, your email, your password. Your password should be strong, very, very strong enough. And if you have a get voucher code, it's optional though. But the most important thing here is to read terms of service, privacy policy, and disclaimer. It's very, very important. Then tick that you've read it. After you've reading it, you just tick here. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes. Don't use any of the numbers to scam people or do anything illegal. If you read the privacy policies and the other policies we have, the site is actually telling you to do the right thing. So mainly for developers can use it, or if you don't trust any website to give out your real phone number, you can use the site to verify. You get me? Yeah. So this is for educational purpose only. Disclaimer. Thank you. So we proceed after signing up. You can continue with your Google if you really want. But after signing up, you have to just log in. You get me? Or continue with Google. So today we all know it's either or Feta. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. So you get this beautiful UI. You get this beautiful UI, and the reason why we are doing this video is to go straight to the point and buy number. You get me? So we have more here. You can see we are on the bottom nav left side. On the left bottom nav, you have the dashboard here, right here. We have my orders, your orders history. You have the get number, the main feature or the main thing about the website is get numbers. You get me? Then I think they have proxies here, which is wait list coming soon. All right. So we have more. The more it's comprised of tools, top up, temp email. I guess you can generate temporary email to verify any site. Disclaimer: this is for educational purposes only. So you can use this for any third-party websites you don't really trust. Any website you don't really trust to expose your credentials or expose your information. So you can use this email to verify them. Check one or two. If they are legit, then you can use your real email to sign up and have access to what they want, what they have. So the more here you have transactions, you have referrals, you have resellers. If you want to become resellers, profile. But this video is particularly on how to buy a number, so you have to go straight to how to buy a number. So let me discard this. You go straight to buy a number, and here we go. These are the number. So you can search the service you want to verify. You get me? So I want to verify for PayPal. You get me? PayPal doesn't really work in Ghana here, so most of the time people want to verify with PayPal. So you have this. It says you have to top up. May not work. Doesn't mean it doesn't work. It will work 100%. You get me? It will work 100%. The may not work is telling you that maybe the SMS code might delay or might not come unless you ban the account. You ban the number you are getting, then try another number before it will work. You get me? So they have the long term. I don't have enough funds here, so I think we have to see. You can change the country to like. Okay, so let's assume I want to verify Facebook for some personal reasons, not for illegal reason, maybe for legal reason. I already said when I was starting the video, disclaimer: do not use these things for illegal use. Use it for legal use. I'm teaching you for educational purposes. So you rent the number, you can actually rent. There are lots of numbers here, but if you don't have enough funds, if you go to my dashboard, you see I have 12.43 Ghana cedis in my account. So the number I can really buy is Facebook for now. There are a lot of numbers you can purchase, even 5 cedis. You get me? But for the sake of time and all those things, we'll try Facebook. Even though I'm verify Facebook, but I'm trying. I want to show you how the UI works. So, assuming I want to verify or buy this Facebook number and verify Facebook with it, I'll just hit rent. You get me? You see, there's the number right there. Then you copy the number here. You just copy it, paste it on the platform. Then you do what? Wait for the SMS. You get me? You have to wait for the SMS code. Then you copy the SMS code. The SMS code prompt will come here. So all you have to do is copy the SMS code and go back to Facebook and paste it there, or go back to the site you are verifying and paste the code there. It will work. You get me? And if it doesn't work, the only thing you have to do is either cancel and get refund, or ban number and also get refund. You get me? So right now I'm not verifying in the Facebook account. I'm doing this to teach you guys how to purchase foreign numbers for your site verification. So I just have to cancel it. So it's checking. So it will check, then it will give you a refund. You get me? It checks whether you received SMS and you really want to cancel it to trick the site. But if it checks and you didn't receive any SMS code, then it will give you your money back into your wallet. So that's it. My name is T-Boy, and as always, I'm out.